Now, I'm going to run it 3 or 4 times so you guys can walk around. But honestly, the best picture in your mind's eye is from the front. This is astonishing.
So where'd you find this, Steve?
Sotheby's. You don't find something at Sotheby's. You buy.
Steve, is this the piece you're auctioning off?
This was it was auctioned off. This thing ran for 90 days, all day long in 1964.
Wow.
Then they restored it. Look at how you can see everything inside the engine working. I'm going to let it go around one more time so people would see it in the front. I love to look from the front. You might notice the alternator is truly the motor that's running this thing.
This fan is so...
Eccentric.
Yeah.
It cuts down on the noise immensely and the vibration.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All our fans of that design are like that.
Interesting.
Fuel pumps.
So this thing is the highlight of the show.